World of Warcraft, developed by Blizzard Entertainment, is an iconic force in the world of MMORPGs, creating a vast, immersive universe that has captivated players since its release in 2004.
Did you know?
In this ever-evolving online world, players choose from a variety of races and classes to explore the lands of Azeroth, engaging in epic quests, battling formidable foes, and interacting with thousands of other players in a rich, complex environment. With its deep lore, expansive world, and strong sense of community, World of Warcraft offers a unique, engaging experience that goes beyond traditional gaming.
Now you know.